Welcome to qnawire.
Problem 20. Each node, the null hypothesis is that the increased maintenance does not reduce the number of defective parts a machine produces. H1 is that the increased maintenance reduce the number of the defective parts a machine uh, produces. So the critical values is equal to 0 and the test value according to the data is equal to 2, so we do not reject the null hypothesis as there is not enough evidence to support the claim that the increased maintenance reduces the number of defective parts manufactured by the machines.